Okay, today here I will tell you how to use F3 Pro, the 2-motor, 2-battery electric bike Freego model F3 Pro. As you see, when you receive the bike, it's off. So, one moment. Now it's on. Let me turn it off. Okay, let me tell you the button function. There is a plus and a minus, 2 buttons. There is also one button here. This one is a power switch. You can long press and hold. You can see it's yeah. Okay, now it's on. If you want to turn off, press again, press and hold until it's off. Okay, now let's show you how to turn it on. Press and hold. You can see it's on. But when it's on, you see it's PS1. PS1 is very slow speed. Usually, for beginners, you use like a gear 1 with plus here. No, here 3. Usually for beginners, 3 is fine. But for a skilled person, skilled rider, we use gear 5. So now gear 5. If you want to turn on the lights, press this button. The button here to turn on the lights. Yeah, on, turn it on, or turn it off. You see, it's off. Okay. And there's another button. This one. This one is when you receive it. Look at the button. Okay. This button is for motor, 2 motor, 1 motor shift. Now it's only 1 motor. Now it's a rear motor. Okay. When you press in, you see it's pressing. It's inside. Then 2 motors, front and rear, will work together. If you want 1 motor, just now it's off. It's only 1 motor. Rear motor can work. This one is throttle. Just twist the throttle, it can work. Yeah, that's it. And for the battery, we have a key for battery. 2 batteries. You need to lock the battery on the back. Okay. Enjoy your riding. Let me know if you have any question. You can email Freego. hi@freegobikes.com. Thank you.